Good morning, Brody and Mark. So I got your email, Brody, asking the questions about editing chords, and I thought it would just be so much simpler to make this brief video rather than try to type out all the answers. So the first thing you said is there a way to globally change the proportional size of your chords? So I guess you were having some crowding problems. I just want to give you a trick that if you do, I'm assuming you're on a Mac, if you do Command A, select all, use the selection tool to do this, by the way. Command A, select all, then Command 4, which redistributes the measures, and then Command U, which reformats everything. It might solve your problem right there. I do that so many times. Like if I'm doing a band piece that's like 150 measures long, probably every 10 measures I'm doing Command All, Command A, Command 4, Command U. Like, I don't even think about doing it, but it sort of reformats everything and makes things look the best spacing that's possible. So you might try that, but let's say that doesn't work. What you should know about is in the document menu, all the way down at the bottom, there's document options. And honestly, there is so many great things in Finale's document options with all of these different things, from time signatures to key signatures to everything. But I'm just going to go to chords just to show you one small area where if you're not using this document options area, it's like a power users area. So look right here in the center of the screen where it says scale all chords by. If you want to scale the chords by 75%, that might be actually too much. Watch what happens when I do that to my score for What a Wonderful World. Right now we have these chords much smaller than they were before. I'm going to edit undo that because I actually don't want them that small. But that would be how you could globally make all the chord symbols smaller for your entire document. Again, I'll show you real quick. You go to the document options, you select chords from the left menu, and then where it says scale all chords by, change to the percentage you want. Let me try 50%, which will be really dramatic, right? So look how tiny they are. Way too tiny. All right, so let me undo that. All right, the other thing you asked about was using the triangle for the major chord symbol, and I don't honestly know why Finale doesn't make that just the norm, but let me just on this F right here, I'm going to choose the chord tool, and I'm going to double click on the F, and it opens up the chord definition. Right now it just says F. Do you want to just do an F chord? And you could, right? But let's say I want to make it that triangle, or say a triangle and a 7. I'm going to go down here to suffix and then select. That's at the bottom, suffix, select, and I have a triangle as an option. It's the first option actually in my chord suffix selection window. I hope it's in yours too. I'm using Finale 27. Anyway, so I choose the triangle and select, and then boom, there is the triangle. But let's say, let me go back. Let's say, again, I'm going to double click with the chord tool. So choose the chord tool, double click. Let's say I want that to be F triangle 7, major 7. So then I would choose select, and then with this triangle, I'm going to say duplicate. All right, and now that I have duplicate, I have another triangle that I can work with, right? My original triangle is still way up here, untouched, but then it duplicated that triangle down here, and I'm going to edit that one, and then go to next, and maybe the next thing, I'll just put in a 7 and say OK. And so now I have a triangle 7 that I've added to my chord library, and I'll say select that and OK. And now I have that F major 7 chord symbol. So hopefully that answers all the questions that you posed in that email to me, and you owe me one now. Okay, see you later, Brody. Bye-bye.